Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert HEIC to JPEG. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Here we are on my computer, and this guide works for both Windows and Mac. As you can see, I'm hovering over the image here, and it's an HEIC file that I want to convert to a JPEG. All we need to do is open a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Now, search for HEIC to JPEG in one word like this. Click on HEIC2JPEG.com. This is a great website. You just need to choose the .heic files. One of the great things about this site is that it lets you upload multiple files at once. For example, if you have 5 photos, it allows up to 5 at a time, and you can convert them all in one go. Tap on the Upload box, and your File Explorer will open. Locate the images on your computer. Mine is in the Downloads. I'll select the image and hit Open. As you can see, it now says Uploading. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and the file size. I'll catch up with you once it finishes. Seconds later, you'll see a check mark and a Download JPEG button. Tap on it, and the image will begin downloading. Since I'm using Google Chrome, my downloads appear at the top of the browser, but you can also find your file in the Downloads folder. Let's open it, and as you can see, the photo has now been converted to a JPEG. You can now do whatever you want with it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can convert HEIC to JPEG. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.